In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Gumroad with Discord using Zapier. First, open Zapier, Gumroad and Discord in your browser. Log in to all accounts before starting the setup. Once you are inside Zapier, create a new Zap. Now choose Gumroad as the trigger app. For the trigger event, select New Sale so the automation runs every time someone purchases one of your products. Next, connect your Gumroad account using your API key. To find the API key, open your Gumroad dashboard, go to Settings, then open the Advanced section and copy your API key. Paste the API key into Zapier and finish connecting your account. After that, choose Discord as the action app. For the action event, select Send Channel Message. Now connect your Discord account and choose the server and channel where you want sales notifications to appear automatically. Next, customize the message format. You can include details like the buyer's name, product purchased, payment amount, customer email, or purchase date. Once everything is configured, run a test to make sure the notification is sent correctly to your Discord server. If the test works successfully, click Publish or turn on Zap. Now every new Gumroad sale will automatically send a message inside your Discord channel in real time. You can also use Zapier filters to trigger notifications only for specific products, memberships, or premium purchases. And that's how to integrate Gumroad with Discord using Zapier. Thanks for watching and goodbye.